Your grandma's black, right?
I didn't hear anything.
Oh, I definitely heard someone. Why were you born?
Is that any way to talk to your mother?
You aren't my mother. Not listening to me!
That's because you're crazy.
Now, you're going to stay here forever.
No, I'm not!
Spell checker's gone screwy too. Maybe I have a virus.
I think dinner might have a virus. Can't believe it. You and Dad get paid to write about plants, and you hate dirt.
You won't need the tools.
Apologize at once, Coraline.
No!
You want to come along? You can pick out something you like.
Oh, like the gloves.